How to create a promotional pop-up in Squarespace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here in their actual Squarespace website. And from in there, you should be able to see these options right there. So what we can do is we can head over right here into our actual Squarespace option. Just proceed to click on this email campaigns, and from in there you can see these promotions right there, as well as some other automations option. So for this case, just choosing here the promotion. And then after that, you will be directed into the next part of creating the actual pop-up. You can choose right here the layout and change the actual style, font packs, backgrounds, and also add some more elements if you would want. So you can see in here the style. Now, once you're done, you can just proceed to save this. And in here, you can just change everything. And at the email part, you can just change some things and test it out in order to see if it will actually appear legally right there and promptly. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.